thought you were dead.
Sorry to disappoint you.
Did you find Raish? Hold on. Your suit's readings are back to normal. Are you cured? What's going on?
Raish and his forces are based underneath Arkham City, extracting some kind of naturally occurring chemical he's called Lazarus. He's been using it for centuries, slowly perfecting the process until he was even able to bring himself back from the dead.
And you took some?
He forced me to. Small doses appear to heal most ailments, but even the small amount I ingested had a few nasty side effects. Prolonged exposure has driven Raish over the edge.
So, do you think you're cured?
No, the effects are temporary. Raish tried to convince me to use his pit, but the risks are too great. When I'm done here, I'll need to investigate this Lazarus technology further. I told Raish to shut his pit down.
And you think he will?
Unlikely. Raish is addicted to the pit. I've given him one chance to break that addiction, or I'll be back to do it myself. Did Robin get you that blood sample?
Yeah, he's down at Gotham General. It's going crazy there. I'll patch through.
Hey, Bud. I'm glad to hear from you.
It's me. What's happening there?
Bruce, it's not good. Gotham General has at least 30 confirmed cases. There are nearly 50 at Mercy, and it's looking like the pattern repeats all over the city.
I've run a simulation. Joker's blood could be in as many as 2,000 people by the morning. The first fatalities are expected soon after that.
I'm on my way back to Freeze right now. Hopefully the blood sample I extracted from Raish will complete the formula.
I hope you're right.
This panel is protected using Tiger encryption protocols. I can't decrypt it without access to the master control program Strange uses.
Do you really think I'll be safe if I keep hidden? I guess you know what you're talking about, right?
Protocol 10 will commence in 2 hours.
Did you see the way Penguin's guys just ran?
Yeah, combo pod's finished. Just wait, regroup, and then head into the tunnels and take out the rest of them.
Can't wait. It'll be a regular turkey shoot.
Fly, little birdie. Bang!
Then what? Go back to the steel mill?
Nah. Gotta keep moving through the tunnels and find a way to get to the museum. Take out Penguin.
What if Batman got it?
Then our job is even easier. You and me. I hear Cobblepot's got all kinds of crap in that museum of his. We get there, it'll be ours.
Is that the sound of one of your faces hitting something hard? I hope so.
Found someone!
At the door!
Stay calm. We need to keep it together for mine. If we lose it, we're as good as dead, understand?
Find him! My life depends on it. And now, so does yours.
What the hell is going on?
Oh, I think I just hit someone on the skull. That's against that nice hard score. Find your bloody
What? I'm sure it came from over there. You're not getting past me again! Huh? You ain't getting away from me! Batman's back! Over there!
They've started using shields. They'll block head-on attacks, but that shield can't protect them from above.
Look out! The man!
You people have two choices. Join up with the Joker and live. Stay with the Penguin and die. Simple.
So what's it gonna be?
I'm in. What's the Bat doing here? You're gonna die in Arkham City! I'll make sure that...
This'll be easy.
We're gonna hurt you.
Citizens of Arkham, as I speak. speak, there is a new inmate entering my facility. The more nostalgic among you will recognize him as Quincy Sharp, Mayor of Gotham and failed warden of old Arkham Asylum. Please provide him with the welcome he deserves.
That doesn't sound good, does it?
No, it doesn't.
I don't get it. Why would Strange arrange for the mayor to be sent there? Scrub that. How the hell did Strange even manage to have the mayor arrested?
I don't know, Barbara. But I am going to find out.
Look who it is. Little Mr. Cobblepot, all locked up in his own museum.
Bring it back!
Penguin really did that? Oh yeah. He sat up there while people ripped each other apart so they could join his gang.
How deep do you think it is?
Deep enough, though.
Batman! It's Batman!
There's got to be another way.
It's the bat! I remember you from the asylum. You person.
No! Please, no!
I want to know all about Strange, and how you're tied into all this.
I'll tell you everything! Strange came to me back at the asylum. He told me he had friends. Powerful friends. The sort of people who could make things happen. All I had to do was turn a blind eye to his experiments and work on my campaign. He said his friends would ensure that I won.
Who are they?
I have no idea. I never met them. They funded everything. Money was no problem. All I had to do was set up Arkham City and put Strange in charge. It made perfect sense. The scum of Gotham needed to be punished. It would be my legacy.
Strange has been removing anyone with evidence against him and sending them into Arkham City. Enjoy your legacy.
Bruce, I'm seeing massive spikes in your suit's biometric analyzer. Your health. It doesn't look good.
I just had a chat with our old friend Quincy Sharp. He confirmed that Strange is working with someone else. I'm going to find out who.
What are you talking about? You need to get that blood to freeze now.
I will. I just need to.
No, you don't. You need to go back to the GCPD. Please, Bruce. For me?
Seen Batman for a while.
Good. Last time he turned up, he knocked 3 teeth.
Ring, ring! What are you doing, Babs? I thought we were friends, working together and all that. You know, from where I'm lying, desperately clutching at what's left of my life, it seems like you've betrayed me and started working with the walking icebox. Well, two can play at that game. Try and get back to that double-crossing snowman in the GCPD without my guys blowing your pointy head off. I double dare you.
Stopping it.
I don't know. It keeps freezing back up.
It's Freeze. He's doing something. You got a backup plan? How are we gonna get in?
We're not.
I'll tell Harley you said that.
You don't stand a chance.
Why do you keep doing this to me? It's like you idiots spend every single day thinking up ways to leave me bitterly disappointed. Harley, when you get to the GCPD, kill a couple of them for me, will you, dear?
Impressive, Batman. I doubted you would actually return.
I'm a man of my word, Victor. You should know that by now.
The formula is complete. The bonding process appears to have been successful. How are you feeling? You look unwell.
Give it to me.
I'm afraid I cannot do that, Batman. You have given me your last order.
This is not a time for negotiation.
I think it is. The clown has my wife. Bring her back to me.
You don't want to do this, Freeze.
Oh, I believe I do. You will bring me Nora, or you will die.
You are in my world.
Oracle, Freeze is attacking me. Get me the telemetry feed from his suit, now.
No problem. Bruce, remember what happened last time. Don't try to take him on in a straight-up fight. He's too powerful. Okay, data's ready. Coming through now.
The clown will pay for taking my wife. No!
I can't allow Freeze to see me. He's too dangerous.
There is nowhere to hide.
I can't allow Freeze to see me. He's too dangerous.
There you are. No! I learned from my mistakes, Batman. Do you? You should make less noise. That will not happen again. You cannot hide in the cold. This world is mine.
Batman. It was nothing. Next time, I will destroy you. These things are nothing. What? No!
Please, find Nora. She's all I have left. It's over. That was all I could manufacture.
Harley Quinn took it.
What are you waiting for? Go and get it back. The clown must pay for what he has done to us.
It's not that simple. Joker's got the steel mill locked down. Getting in will not be easy.
Perhaps I can help. I've been working on a new projectile system. Maybe these will provide the edge you need.
I promise you, Victor, I will find Nora.
Our mystery caller was correct. It looks like Batman himself is exiting the building.
Is he really? Hello, Gotham, it's me. I'm afraid Miss Vale will soon be leaving the airwaves. We apologize for this interruption.
We've been hit. We're going down. Mayday! Mayday!
Gotham? I don't know if you can hear me. My newscopter has been shot down. We've crashed down somewhere in Arkham City. We need help. I am now stuck on part of the old Gotham freeway in what looks like a turf war between... What the hell was that? Oh God, there are snipers. They're all around my position. I can see see what looks like inmates moving in on us. Ah! Please! If anyone can hear me, send help! This is Vicky Vale. I repeat, this is Vicky Vale. If you can hear this, help me!
This bitch is mine. Don't speak too soon. Joker will be...
It appears that the snipers covering my position from the southeast have gone. The roof of the Kirshen building has gone quiet. Either they've all left, or someone has taken them out. If anyone can hear...
You should be safe here for now. Stay here and keep out of sight.
Any chance I could get an exclusive? Care to tell Gotham what's going on with your face?
No. Stay there and be quiet.
Now, that's no way to talk to the nice reporter, Lady Bats.
What do you want?
Who are you talking to?
Now, see what you've done. The poor woman's all confused. Hardly surprising, I suppose. I mean, she's just been in a terrible accident.
That you caused.
How dare you? I've never been so... Oh, what the hell. Yes, okay, it was me. I just needed a little time to guarantee that Harley got back to me with my delicious cure. And if you're a good boy, I may even save a little for you. It's unlikely, I know, but I'm really your last hope now, aren't I? I think we all feel confident about stopping Batman this time. Right?
Guess Joker's feeling better. Good. We own Arkham City. Anyone else who wants a piece should come and see me.
Piece of me, step up, get your best shot.
Oh! One man down. It's looking like a rerun of last time.
Do what Joker said! There's someone here! Wake up! Do you hear me? Wake up!
Here! We've got another one!
Come on, wake up! Damn it, he's out cold. What's wrong? Too scared to show yourself?
Someone's missing in there. It's you!
Whatever. You know anything about Protocol 10? Sounds scary.
Yeah, I was on the phone with Professor Strange yesterday, and he told me what it is.
What's the bat doing here?
I just heard from my dad. He's been summoned to City Hall. Strange is requesting that Emergency Protocol 10 is activated.
Does Gordon know what Protocol 10 is?
Just that it's the worst-case security measure. Strange told the High Council he had failed to stem the use of illegal weapons within the prison.
Weapons he provided. This was his plan all along.
It certainly looks that way. He made it sound like the inmates were planning a mass escape and attack on Gotham. I'll keep you posted.
Did you see the Joker just now?
Yeah, he looked okay, didn't he?
Yeah, how the hell did that happen? I saw him yesterday and he looked like poison crap. Today? All good.
So did he find the cure or what?
With a quick update.
Let me explain to you what's going on. The Joker is... He's the freaking man!
Please, get me down from here. Joker's gonna regret screwing with Two-Face.
I can't use another grenade. It will make the ice I'm on too unstable.
I've hacked into the council CCTV. The council members are coming back. They don't look happy. They're telling Strange that they're disappointed in him, that they never believed Protocol 10 would need to be activated.
But they gave him permission, didn't they?
Good evening. Protocol 10 will commence in 30 minutes. You all have specific orders for this situation. Follow them.
Do you still need an answer? Bruce, I don't like this. Be careful.
sorry.
It's all right. You're safe.
You're lucky. I could have killed you with this thing.
Believe me, Doctor. When someone takes a swing at me with a pipe, they don't get the chance to apologize. What's been happening?
I did what you said. I stayed out of sight and kept an eye on what they were up to. They've been placing things on the floor in the next room. I don't know what they are.
Sounds like Joker's trying to stop me with mines.
Will it work?
Do I look worried?
Worried? No. Sick? Very. You look terrible.
Don't worry about me. Get back to wherever you've been hiding. I'll deal with the mines.
I did what he said. Man, you should have seen his face.
That's funny, man.
And then what? Did she do it? Of course she did. I mean, look at me. I'm gorgeous.
Looks better, right?
It's a freaking miracle. Yesterday he looked like crap. Today?
That thug's armed with proximity mines.
Thank God.
Is that the sound of one of your faces hitting something hard? I hope so.
Do what Joker said. I'll cover this way. Oh, God. Everyone, get your asses over here now! Wake up. Do you hear me? Wake up!
How's he doing this?
Shut the hell up! We need to keep looking or we're all dead. Show yourself, chicken! I'm at the door, it's clear!
Someone was sitting in there. Is it you?
You heard the boss!
I found someone!
What? I see what you're doing. How are you gonna use those things if they're not here? It's moving! It's gone up in the air! Don't stop moving! It could come from anywhere! Man down! Man down!
At this rate, I'll be all out of idiot extras before the end of the night. Well, what do you know? You did it. You took them all out. I know I should be sad, but the truth is, I'm happy. Happier than I've been in years. How about you?
Protocol 10 will commence in 20 minutes.
I hear you, buddy.
How's it going in there anyway?
It's all good. I'm in position. Room's mine. If I see Batman, boom!
Hope you're right. The Joker looks like he's getting ready for a war. If Batman's out of the picture, he actually win it.
I've worked out how to beat the Bat. Uses the God orders, right? I just need to take them out. Boom! Batman's on the ground, and I'm...
Finn some more? Well, go on then, I don't care. I'm not telling you nothing. I'm not even gonna tell you about the crap Joker took from freezing locked up in the boiler room. Don't you dare!
Alright guys, well that's going to be it for this episode of Batman Arkham City. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, please make sure to sub and like, and as always, I hope you guys have a God bless day. I love y'all. Peace.